What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Liam Trends. We'll be examining BTC and Ethereum on the higher time frames down to the lower time frames to see how best we can take advantage of the opportunity the market provides. So sit back and stay tuned as we delve into the charts. Yesterday on our earlier video, we had a trade setup for BTC. We expected the market to rally up to the level of 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, which is the level of 30,365 to the level of 30,596. But we didn't see the market give us a push down to this side. But we outlined the support zone at this level of 30,098. So we saw the market push to this level, gave us bearish rejections at this level. So we could have entered a trade from this point and ride it down to this place. So we expect the market to give us to hit our take profit 1, which was 0.2 Fibonacci 23 Fibonacci level, which is the level of 28,935 or the level of 27,916. But we saw the market give us a push to this level. So if we're in this trade, we would have brought our stop loss. Down to the point of entry, and this will be a risk-free trade. But we'll close this trade at break even. So now we are seeing the market giving us a push to the upside. How can we take advantage of the opportunity the market provides? So this trading setup is currently invalid. So if we go back to the higher time frames, close it, delete it. We can go back to the higher time frames. We'll go back to the daily time frame. We'll see that the daily time frame, we see that we are still in the market is still in a downtrend. So we can take our Fibonacci from the swing high we take our Fibonacci from the supply candle down to the swing low, which is this level here, the level of 28,886. We still have our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level as the level of 34,683 to the level of 35,661. So we can still expect the market to give us a push to these levels, and then we see the market push down to the downside. We'll go down to the 4-hourly time frame. So on the daily time frame, we spotted out the trend, that the trend is still to the downside. So on the 4-hourly time frame, can draw a trend line with the previous highs to the lows. The 4-hourly time frame, we see that the market gave us a lower low, then the market has given us a higher low, gave us an even higher low, gave us a higher low, gave us a higher high. Now the market has given us a higher low. We expect the market to give us a higher high. So on the 4-hourly time frame, we can spot an uptrend, but on the daily time frame, we are still in a downtrend. So how can we take advantage of the market, of the opportunity this market provides? So we take our Fibonacci. We can see that we are in a slight uptrend. So we take our Fibonacci from the previous low to the new high. We see that the market retraced down to the 0.6 and the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, gave us bullish rejections, and now is already on its way to the upside. We have our take profit 1 at 0.23 Fibonacci level at the level of 31,826, the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is level of 33,122, and the level of 34,243. So we can see the market give us a push to this upside during the week. So now the 4-hourly time frame, we outlined an uptrend, and the 0.23 Fibonacci level rhymes with this our support and resistance zone. So we can see the market come back to retest this zone, whether it's going to break it and touch other higher zones as the day goes by. We'll continue. So go to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, you can spot the uptrend, the trend to the upside. On the 15-minute time frame, you can spot the trend to the upside. So we see the market. So quickly we can enter a trade on the 4-hourly time, take it from the swing low to the swing high. So if you see the market give us a rejections to the downside, a retracement to the downside, so we can enter a trade from this 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is the level of 30,291 or the level of 30,186. So when the market comes down here, you can take our path. So expect the market to come down here, give us bullish rejections, then we have a push to the upside to hit the 0.23 Fibonacci, the 0.75 Fibonacci level and higher. So that's what I see on BTC right now. So this is a possible trading scenario for today. So we can enter the trade, enter a long trade from here. Remember, this is no financial advice. This is what I see in the chart. I want you to look at it yourself and take decision based on what you see on the chart. But this is what I see. This is what I see on the chart analysis. On the chart. If you have not done so, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the channel notification so you are being notified on daily technical analysis on BTC and Ethereum. You can also smash the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. So that's what I see on BTC. You can expect the market to give us a push to the upside later in the day. We enter a trade at this level of 30,186. We see the market give us the retracement down to this level. Put our stop loss at the 1.16 level, and this is actually a 1:4.5 risk to reward standpoint. That's a very good trade. On Ethereum, yesterday on our analysis, we expected the market to give us a retracement to the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is the level of 20,068, or the 0.6 Fibonacci level, which is the level of 20,086. The market didn't give us this rejection to the upside. Remember, you do not chase the trade. You wait for it to come and meet you. Since the market didn't give us this opportunity, there was no trade on Ethereum. Remember, the next bus is just 10 minutes away. So there will always be opportunities in the market. So this trading setup, we see the market has actually gone above the 0.61 Fibonacci level. But this is currently invalid. So just like we did on BTC, we'll actually go to the higher time frames too and spot the trend. On Ethereum, on the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, we still take our Fibonacci from the previous supply candle to the new low. We still have our 0.6 Fibonacci level at the level of 2,196 and the level of 2,152. So we can still expect Ethereum to still come back to retest that level and possibly a move to the downside. The trend is still downward, so we are looking for sell opportunities on the higher time frame. On the 4-hourly time frame, take our Fibonacci from the swing, so the swing high to the swing low. You can still see the same thing that we saw on BTC, that the market has created a higher low. So the market gave us lower low, higher low, give us lower low, give us lower high. Now the market gave us a higher low, still give us another lower, a higher low. So we expect a push to the upside. So where will be the next higher high? That's what we're expecting from the market. We take our, so that's what we're expecting from the market, a push to the upside to the next higher high. So we'll take a Fibonacci from the previous low to the new high. We see that the market actually consolidated. It actually went below the 0.618 Fibonacci and give us the consolidation. So we're expecting a push to the upside now on Ethereum to the higher time frame Fibonacci retracement level. So we can expect a push to the higher time frame Fibonacci retracement level. So we can expect a push from the 0.5 Fibonacci level, from here to the 0.5 Fibonacci level, the level of 2,164 or the level of 2,222. We expect that kind of push. So we go to the 15 minutes time frame to see how we can take advantage of this trend. 15 minutes time frame. Trend is to the upside. So if you see Ethereum giving us a rejection to the downside from this level, a retracement to the downside, we can take our trade from this level of 2062 or 2054. So if we see a red candle to the downside, a retracement to the downside, we can see we can enter a trade at this level, the level of the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is the 2062 or the 2054. Then enter a long position from here. Then put our stop loss at the 1.16. Remember, this is no financial advice. This is what I see on the chart. Just keep looking at it. Learn. So we can have a push to the 0.6 Fibonacci level, which is the level of 2222. So you can, this is a 1:7 risk to reward standpoint. So we can see the market give us a push to the upside today, later in the day. We'll go down to Forex Factory to see news. This is 10:30. This is 10:39 Nigerian time. So we can have volatile news around 7 p.m. today. Fed Chair Powell speaks. So around 7 p.m. Nigerian time, we can see some volatility in the market. So if you do not know how to trade this news, I just advise you just stay off the chart during this period. So that's what I see on the chart for today. Thank you very much for listening to the chat down to this very moment. See you in the next video. Thank you.